Hey, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liz. And our enrichment teacher is missing again. And look, we're all sitting very sad outside hello, Cassidy. And we're all standing outside our enrichment room, very sad.
What comes before part B?
Those are my strange friends. Oh, there's Nora. There's our enrichment teacher. And so, Liver, what are you going to say today?
My lungs hurt.
Why do your lungs hurt, Olivia?
Because I was running. And I'm
Very
not going to tell the whole world why.
I know. As do I was running very fast just now. We went outside and played in the rain, but I dry off really fast, really. Anyway, so, Olivia, how's your day today?
Stressful.
As is mine.
Some friends were spending some rumors, so we had to eliminate them.
Yes, in the worst ways possible.
Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. These people are looking at me like I'm crazy because I am.
Yes, she is. Anyway, so we have to go inside our enrichment room now.
Dancing.
We have to go to our enrichment room now. So this is
Liva
and Liz reporting out.